Alright everyone, today I'm going to be painting two bowls and make it into one. So first I'm going to start off with this bowl from Dollar Tree. That'll be the top part of the bowl. And then I'm going to also paint this, which will be the base. I'm going to spray it first with metallic spray from Rust-Oleum. This will be the silver spray, and then I'll finish it off with the Rust-Oleum in black flat. So first I'm going to start off with spraying the bottom. Makeshift spraying box. And you spray the entire outside of the bowl in silver. And what this will do is give it an interior effect in silver. So if you want to put fruit or anything inside, you still can, because the paint is not on the inside of the bowl, it's on the outside, so that keeps the food safe. In case anyone. Alright. So I coated the whole thing in silver, and then we'll let that dry. And then we're going to coat the base in black. And then we'll let that dry. And then we'll come back and we'll glue everything together. There you have it.